Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we did a honey baked ham. Here I'm just showing you how my ham came, and we're taking it out and we're gonna put it on our tray. Here are the ingredients for the brown sugar mix. We use raw honey, cinnamon, we use a brown sugar and nutmeg, and then we have pineapples and cherries for the top of the ham. Our brown sugar syrup. Here I'm pouring out the juice on the pineapples. Now we're putting in the brown sugar. I want to use this raw unfiltered honey. I use about a tablespoon and a half. Here I'm going to add in my ground cinnamon and my nutmeg. And you just want that to come to a boil. So we're going to add some cornstarch and water. And we're going to mix it into our brown sugar mix. And we're going to let it come to a boil. And once it starts to thicken up, we're going to turn it off and let it cool down just a little bit so it can thicken up. As you can see, I'm showing you how it's going to look when it starts thickening up. So here we're going to move on to our ham. I am just going to brush this through every last one of my pieces of ham. I'm going to coat the back of it, the front of it, and then I'm going to flip it over. And then I'm going to start adding my pineapples and my cherries. And then once I add my pineapples and my cherries, I am going to brush it again with brown sugar. I am going to stick it in my oven. I bake my ham at 350 degrees. And I'm going to leave it in for about an hour before I brush it again. And I'm going to show you once I take it out how it looks. And then I'm going to brush it again. I did cover my ham with foil so that the top wouldn't burn. So here I took it out again and I'm just brushing it with the brown sugar syrup mix. I did stick a couple of pieces of cloves into my ham. Now here's the last time that I took it out of the oven. You can see at the bottom that my syrup starts to thicken up. So I am going to use something else to start glazing the top of my ham. And it is done. So we transfer it to a plate. And I'm going to flip it over because we're going to start eating it. I just wanted to show you how it looks. I open up the middle pieces and then I just put some brown sugar mix in the middle of that. The thick syrup honey that you saw at the bottom of the tray. And we served and it was delicious. You must try this recipe, this brown sugar honey glaze. We have made a brown sugar honey glazed ham for the holidays. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.